is a big day for all of us, a bricks and mortar milestone for the college. We're gathered here today specifically to honor Mr. Robert Day. Robert Day graduated from Claremont McKenna College in 1965. Currently, he holds the record for longest serving trustee with over 50 years of service.
This building and what we are building in this building is a singular experiment, and none of that happens without the leadership and generosity of Robert Day.
I'm very pleased to have this building named after me, and I'm very optimistic that it's going to be a significant plus, not just as a building, but as a program.
Robert's support has given us an iconic facility that's not there for its own sake, but to serve as the home of a path-breaking, groundbreaking program.
The core of what the Robert Day Science Center is about is that to have great scientific breakthroughs, you need to educate great scientists. And I think more than ever, we are seeing this kind of confluence or convergence of different fields of knowledge. And that's essentially what is at the core of this project.
CMC understands what has to be done. Our product that we turn out has more science, takes more science, is more involved with science than they've ever been.
This building serves as a key to unlock the potential of our master plan. That opened up all kinds of new possibilities and actually led to another monumental gift by George Roberts in the Roberts campus.
So not just a building that creates interaction between different sciences, but also a building that invites in the campus so that maybe actually the core methods of a liberal arts college can actually be applied in scientific pursuits.
My feeling is that Claremont's on the right course. I hope I'm going to be noted for my relationship with Claremont McKenna.
It's nice to pause and reflect on all the work to this point and to celebrate it, to inspire us for each step ahead in this phenomenal journey.